Wait. Before you buy hosting in 2025, let me show you a secret trick that can save you up to 90% on Hostinger. Yes, 90%. If you're planning to start a blog, launch a website, or upgrade your hosting this year, don't skip this video. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing the latest Hostinger coupon code for 2025 that will help you grab premium hosting at the lowest possible price. Hostinger is one of the most popular and reliable providers trusted by millions, and the best part, it's super affordable without cutting corners. If you're just starting your online journey, this is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to launch your site. With this coupon code, you'll get 70% to 90% off, and in many cases, a free domain included. That means you can start your blog or business site at almost no cost. On top of that, Hostinger gives you fast loading speeds, free SSL, an easy control panel, and excellent customer support, which is perfect if you're new to websites or WordPress. And here's how to grab the deal in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Click the referral link in the description or pinned comment. Step 2. Choose the service you need: web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS, even domains or email. Step 3. Add it to your cart. Step 4. At checkout, your discount is auto-applied, up to 90% off, just like that. These offers are time-limited, so don't wait too long. Prices usually go up as demand increases, so this is the best time to lock in your savings and start building your site. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future money-saving tips and website hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.